In front of me is Honor 9A, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, switch it to contacts, and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case, it will be Tim. Then click on Edit, select this profile picture icon, and you can either take a photo if someone's staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. Let me pick something. It can be, for example, this one. Now click on confirmation mark, and it's time to adjust it to this circle shape. Tap on confirmation mark then again, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to Tim, so anytime he will be calling you, you will be able to see it at first, and also it will be listed in your contact list. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.